Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a project. I'm going to be making my own sticky firecrackers, as I call them. But for this project, you're going to need matches, stickies, 2 pieces of paper, and a razor blade, preferably sharp. So what you're going to want to do is open the matches. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to grab the matches, so some of them, take some out. Say, well, I'd say maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, I'd say 10 matchsticks will do. 10 matchsticks. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your matches, gently tap or strike the match area, the striker part, or the match head. You're going to gently tap off the ignition stuff, the powder. Try not to get any chunks of wood in it. Okay, once you get all that, once you get the 10 matchsticks all cleared off, and they kind of should look like that, with just a little bit left on the fire part left. So then you're going to want to grab this stuff, like this. Maybe I'll use a bit more matches, I think. I'll make a couple of these stickers, these firecracker stickers. So just keep going. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you just don't want to scrape this up like this with the razor blade. Grab a spoon. Grab your spoon. Gently crush it up. The finer, the better. If it's like the finest, like as fine as you can get it, would be the best, because it's gonna react with that stuff I'm gonna put in. So I'll show you after we're done here. So just keep crushing it up as nice, fine as you can. Yeah, it should be fine enough, I think. See, it's fine. Like if you get it this fine, that's perfect. See, that's good there. Make it into a line, just like this. That's one. Put that aside. Okay, that one will go aside. Grab your other piece of paper. Grab your match box. See this stuff here? That's the stuff we need. This stuff. So gently scrape it off onto the paper. It's alright if you get a little bit of white paper in it. It's okay. It's not gonna harm it. It's still gonna work either way. But just try to get as much of the striker as you can, because that's the main ingredient. Still not enough. So keep scraping. See, once it gets like that, you're gonna have to go to the other side and use this other side. So like I said, just keep scraping. So okay, what you're gonna want to do is bring your other one back. Grab your sheet of paper. Gently pour it on here, but beside it, not with it yet. So on the side of it, just like this. See that? Now you have just a little bit of this, and you have more of the match stuff, igniter, whatever. But anyways, what you want to do is you're gonna want to slowly mix it together. Once you mix these together, it becomes active. Now it's active, so you got to be really careful when you mix the stuff. Any kind of like pressure, anything on it, essentially it will go off. So you got to be really careful when you mix. This is like just primer, like you find in guns, bullet shells. Primer end. Essentially this is kind of the same stuff I'm making, but like I said, you need to be careful when you're making this, because it will ignite really easy if you don't know what you're doing. Good. Now after you get those mixed up, I could actually use a bit more. It looks like it's not quite dark enough yet. So just scrape a bit more off. Grab another batch box if you need to. These are only $1.25 at the dollar store. Go to your local dollar store, you can get these. See, that should be enough actually there. Okay, so mix them together again. Yeah, that's good. That's nice dark brown there, that's what you need. Put the papers aside. Put it up here. Grab your sticky notes. Grab one. I'm gonna make kind of a square size, so I'm gonna go like this. Stick them together, just like so. Essentially, you're just making a kind of a bigger square for the powder to sit in. Okay, so you got that done. I'm gonna make one more. Put that aside. Okay, now you got two of them. See, you got two. So, okay. When you finish with that, grab this first one you made or whatever one you want to use. And you need a little scoop. I made my scoop out of a straw, just like this. You cut the ends off on an angle. So you're going to want to just like this in an angle, cut it off like that. And it makes a kind of a makeshift spoon. Okay, now here, be gentle when you grab the stuff. Grab your razor blade. Gently pour some into the straw. And then pour it in, right in the middle if you can. Like that. Grab some more. Actually, I'm going to make a couple different sizes. This is a small one, that's one scoop. Stick them together. There you go, your very own. I just call them paper firecrackers. But yeah, so that's one of them. I'm going to make another one. Okay, so now this one we're going to use a bit more. We're going to use that much this time. So you pour it in the middle. Now that's a bigger pile, so grab it and just stick it together like that. And there's another one made. Second one. That one has more powder in it. Now this one is going to be the big one. I'm going to actually use all this powder in one. Close the ends up. There we go, we got three of them. One with a little bit, one with medium, and one with a lot. So yeah. Disregard these, you can throw them in the garbage. Grab the other one. Put your stuff away. You need your hammer for this too when you do this. So okay, so I actually don't have any earplugs. You're going to want to use earplugs for this, so I'm actually just going to use some headphones that I have. So these will be good enough to plug my ears. They do kind of go loud, so yeah. So we got three of them here. We're gonna go try out and test run. All right, guys, let's go for a walk. All right, guys, let's go try this out. I'm actually going to go for a walk down the road and do this time. They were kind of loud. So let's go for a walk over here. It's kind of cold out today, guys. Really cold. I just wish the snow would finally go away. Starting to get tired of the snow, guys. Alright guys, we'll try it right here. This should be good enough. Clean your little area off. And hammer. Okay guys, we're going to try the small one first. So you're going to want to put it on there. And just give it a tap. See that? That's one. That's a small one. And here's the next one, the medium one. That's the medium one. And then you want to go for the big one. Well, that's project number one, guys. We're doing this other project, guys. Peace.